Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us solve exercise 6.2 question number 1 and 2 from the chapter triangles. Question number 1. In the given figure 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in bit 1 and bit 2. So here the figure 1 is drawn. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. It is given. So this implies, we know according to basic proportionality theorem, if DE is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC by basic proportionality theorem. So now you put the values. So here AD is 1.5 centimeter divided by 3 centimeter dp is equal to AE is 1 centimeter and EC is not given. We have to find EC. So this implies EC is equal to, that is 1.5 by 3, this is 1 by 2. So EC is equal to 2 centimeter. So here we found EC as 2 centimeter. Next, second figure. Here in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So according to basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. So due to basic proportionality theorem. So now you put the values. So AD is not given. So AD by 7.2 centimeter is equal to 1.8 centimeter. A is equal to 1.8 centimeter divided by 5.4 centimeter. So this implies AD by 7.2 centimeter is equal to, this is 1 by 3. So this implies AD is equal to 7.2 divided by 3 centimeter. So that is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Next, question number 2. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. So here for first figure, so it is given that PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. So we have to find the ratios of PE, EQ, PF, FR. So what is PE by EQ is equal to 3.9 by 3. So this is equal to 1.3 by 1. So what is PF by FR is equal to 3.6 by 2.4. So this is equal to 3 by 2. So the two ratios are not equal. PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So this implies EF is not parallel to QR. According to converse BPT theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Next, here in this triangle PQR, it is given that PE is equal to 4 centimeter, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PF is equal to 8 centimeter and RF is equal to 9 centimeter. Again we have to find the ratios. PE by EQ is equal to 4 by 4.5. We can write it as 40 by 45 is equal to 8 by 9. Again you find PF by FR. So PF is equal to 8 by 9. So the two ratios are equal. So this implies PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So this implies EF parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Next, in triangle PQR, it is given that PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeter. PQ is given and PR is 2.56 centimeter. PE is 0.18 centimeter and PF is equal to 0.36 centimeter. So first we have to find QE. So what is QE? So QE is equal to PQ minus PE. So that is equal to what is PQ? 1.28 centimeter minus PE which is 0.18 centimeter. So this is equal to 1.10 centimeter. Again we have to find FR. So FR is equal to PR minus PF is equal to what is PR? 2.56 minus 0.36. So this is equal to 2.20 centimeter. So now we will find the ratio. So what is PE by EQ is equal to PE is 0.18 by QE is equal to 1.1. So this is equal to 9 by 55. Again we have to find the second ratio, that is PF by FR. So this is equal to 0.36 by 2.20. So this is also equal to 9 by 55. So as PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So this implies EF is parallel to QR due to converse BPT. Converse of BPT. Thank you.